I write. I wrote. I will write.
I write in English, of course.
I write many reports.
I write the check.
I write those books, too.
I write to my mother once a week.
I write you all the time.
I write you this part.
I write to you.
I write what I see.
You don't rewrite what I write.
I like what I wrote.
I wrote a new line.
What?
I wrote a song about you.
I wrote that.
I wrote the book.
I wrote 2 letters.
I will write a letter.
I will write to him.
I will write to the press, here and in England.
I will write to you.
You just tell me how much and I will write the check.
I work. I worked. I will work.
Don't worry, I work at the library.
I work at a university.
I work at the bank.
I work at the hotel.
I work at the mall.
I work at the medical center.
I work at the post office.
I work at the station.
Oh, I work at a bank.
I worked for that family for years.
I worked for the government.
I worked hard for a genuine opportunity.
I worked in an office.
I worked this morning.
I worked very hard on it.
Maybe I worked with him.
I learn fast and I will work very.
I will work and you will sleep.
I will work for you to pay off the loan.
I will work here after school and on weekends.
I will work very hard.
I will work with faith and honor.
If you should choose to hire me, I will work
Okay, I will work now.
Well, I will work every day of my life.
I study. I studied. I will study.
I study all the time.
I study people's faces.
I study photography in college.
I study psychology.
I study an hour every day.
I study at home.
I study design here.
I study history.
Why can't I study in bed?
I studied economics.
I studied electrical engineering.
I studied his every move.
I studied reading and spelling.
I studied to be an architect, actually.
And at night I will study by myself.
I will study more.
I will study naught but science.
I will study your palm.
I read. I read. I will read.
I read a lot about it.
I read a lot of books.
I read a page.
I read about you in a magazine. I read everything you wrote.
I read your book.
I read the report.
I read this myself.
I'm calling because I read your letters.
Absolutely, I will read it.
I think I will read it now.
I will read it too.
I will read it.
I will read to you now.
I will read to you.
I walk. I walked. I will walk.
I walk alone like you.
I walk alone.
I walk around all the time.
If you're late, I walk.
Can I walk with you?
May I walk with you?
May I walk with you?
Should I walk?
I walked all day and night to find you.
I walked and I walked.
I walked for hours in the woods.
I walked on the moon.
I will walk. I will walk.
No, I will walk.
I run. I ran. I will run.
I run to the club.
I run to the door.
I run to the movies or a bar.
I run to the telephone whenever it rings.
I run to the window.
I run to win.
I ran to my car quickly.
I ran to our room.
I ran to the bridge.
I ran to the door and screamed.
I ran to the garage and the door was open.
I ran to the south end of the village, but it was too late.
I ran to the station.
I will run no longer.
I will run the marathon.
I will run.
I will run.
I will run.
So I will run.
I eat. I ate. I will eat.
I eat and drink what I like. I eat anything.
I eat because I'm unhappy.
I eat here twice a week.
I eat here.
I eat too much anyway. I eat too much.
I eat when I'm upset, okay?
I ate last week. I ate that banana in one bite.
I eat the same things.
I ate too much cheese.
I ate too much chocolate today.
I ate too much.
I guess I ate too much.
I think I ate too much.
I will eat all of these sandwiches to myself.
I will eat in a
second.
I will eat it myself.
I will eat it.
I will eat.
I drink. I drank. I will drink.
I drink a lot, and I drink alcohol.
I drink every night.
I drink nothing but green tea now.
I drink too much wine.
I drink too much.
I drink what I want.
I drink when I want.
I drink your water.
I drink. That's the way I drink.
Boy, I believe I drank too much coffee.
I drank a lot in those days.
I drank all of those days.
I drank it.
I drank 3.
I drank too much.
So I drank some cold water.
I sleep. I slept. I will sleep.
Can I sleep here?
Can I sleep in your room?
Did I sleep well?
I sleep around.
I sleep better that way.
I sleep like a baby. It doesn't matter where I sleep.
It's why I sleep like a baby.
No, I sleep like a baby.
Where would I sleep?
I slept outside.
I slept fantastic.
I slept great last night.
I slept late.
I slept like a baby. I slept like a dead one.
I slept on the sofa.
I slept rather late.
I slept till noon today.
I slept well. I slept well.
I slept.
And I will sleep.
And yet, I will sleep like a baby.
Don't worry, I will sleep on the floor.
I will sleep for 9 hours.
I will sleep here.
I will sleep in here tonight.
I will sleep in the barn.
I will sleep in the barn.
I will sleep on the beach.
I will sleep outside.
I will sleep when I like.
I will sleep wherever I can lay my head.
I will sleep. I will sleep.
We'll sleep.
I wake up. I woke up. I will wake up.
Every day, I wake up different.
I wake up alone.
I wake up early and have a set schedule.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I wake up every morning looking in the face of death.
I wake up feeling better. I wake up happy, feeling good.
I wake up like this every morning.
I wake up rested and peaceful most mornings.
I wake up shouting in the middle of the night.
I wake up some days.
I wake up sometimes.
I wake up, wash my face, look myself in the mirror.
I wake up.
Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I think, how old am I?
And when I woke up, I was changed. I woke up from a dream this morning.
I woke up on my own, without the alarm.
I woke up terrified.
I woke up this morning.
Woke up this morning.
I woke up this morning.
I woke up to pee.
I woke up.
I woke up.
I woke up.
I woke up.
In the morning, I woke up, and my legs were useless.
Okay, when I woke up, my phone was on the pillow.
This morning I woke up with more bruises.
When I woke up, my parents were dead.
You left before I woke up.
And then one day, after a long and comfortable life, I will wake up screaming.
I will wake up every morning thinking about you.
I will wake up the hotel.
I will wake up when it's time.
I will wake up.
I listen. I listened. I will listen.
Can I listen to some music now?
I listened to it from outside.
I listen to what you say, Herr Kapitän.
I listen to your conversation.
I listen.
I watch and I listen.
In bed, I listen to the police call.
That's why I listened.
Why didn't I listen to you?
I listened quietly.
I listened to the whole show.
I listened to you enough.
I listened to you.
I listened.
I listened.
I listened. I listened.
I watched and I listened.
I'm so glad I listened to you.
I will listen better.
I will listen now.
I will listen to stories of your travels.
I will listen to you from now on.
I will listen without judgment. I will listen.
If you teach me, I will listen.
Tell me, and I will listen.
I speak. I spoke. I will speak.
I speak English.
I speak French.
I speak from experience.
I speak Spanish.
I speak the truth.
I speak to him.
I speak to intelligence.
I speak very good English.
I speak.
May I speak?
You must answer when I speak to you.
I spoke by telephone to my principal.
I spoke to her.
I spoke to him.
I spoke to my husband last night.
I spoke to my lawyer in New York.
I spoke to my sister.
I spoke to someone before.
I spoke to the doctor again.
I spoke to the operator.
I spoke with your papa.
I spoke.
I spoke.
I will speak for my people.
I will speak now.
I will speak to him.
No.
I will speak to the king personally.
I will speak to you in a moment.
I will speak with him.
I will speak. I will speak.
So I will speak.
I ask. I asked. I will ask.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Can I ask you something?
Can I ask you something?
Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Hey, can I ask you something?
I ask the questions.
I ask.
Should I ask?
I asked.
I asked.
I asked.
I asked.
I asked.
I asked.
I asked. I asked. I asked.
I will ask someone how to find it.
I will ask the questions.
I will ask you a question and you will answer me.
I will ask you again.
I will ask you again.
I will ask you now both.
I will ask you one more time.
I will ask you one question.
I will ask. I will ask.
I will ask.
I answer. I answered. I will answer.
How can I answer, Linda? I answer everything.
I answer only to the president.
I answer the questions aloud.
I answer these questions.
I answer to no one.
I answer to the people.
I answer to you.
I answer to you.
May I answer that question?
I answer the question.
So, I answer one question.
Why should I answer?
Yes, I answer.
You ask, I answer.
I answered a few questions.
I answered all the questions.
I answered all your stupid questions.
I answered the ad.
I answered the phone. I answered the phone.
I answered their ad online.
I answered, yes, friend.
I answered your question. I answered.
Ma'am, I answered your question.
Not at all, I answered.
That's why I answered it.
They called and I answered.
You asked a question, I answered it.
I open. I opened. I will open.
Can I open it? Can I open it?
Can I open my eyes?
Can I open my eyes?
Can I open now?
Yep. Can I open the window?
Can I open this now?
Can I open your letter?
Do you mind if I open it? I open at the close.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I open my mouth.
I open the door.
Actually, I open my presents.
I opened the door, that's all.
I opened an account.
I open my arms.
I opened my eyes and I saw.
I open the door to get out.
I opened the door.
I opened the door.
I opened the door.
Stop. I will open it.
I will open it.
I will open my door to anyone who knocks for help.
I will open the gate.
I will open this door.
I want to speak. I will open my mouth and speak.
I close. I closed. I will close.
Every moment I close my eyes.
I close my eyes at night.
I close my eyes.
I close the door.
So I closed the door.
I close the door in 7 minutes. I close the door.
I closed the door. Bam!
I close my eyes and make a wish.
Sometimes I close my eyes and create a perfect world.
Close my eyes and I shut.
I closed my eyes and pictured you.
I closed my eyes and thought of my mother.
I closed my eyes, didn't see a thing. I closed it about 10 years ago.
I got inside and I closed the lid.
I guess I closed my eyes.
Thought I closed the door.
I think I will close my eyes until morning.
I will close my eyes for a few minutes.
I will close my eyes now.
I will close the door in your face. Now.
I will close the gate and they will be trapped.